Penn was really unique to me because anywhere else I would have gone, it would have been a JD and an MPA, which would have taken 4 years. It would have required me to take classes in subjects I was less interested in. But because it was a social policy specific program at Penn, it was shorter, which meant I could stay within the 3 years of a normal JD.
Definitely. One of the best parts about being in the MSSP program was the fact that I got to work with and communicate with people from so many different backgrounds. So a lot of the assignments we did were group-based projects. And I think the way that law school teaches me to think is a little bit different than the way my master's program teaches me to think, and then bouncing ideas off of one another was such a great and rewarding experience.
My favorite class was the initial research class, and it was interesting because I had never taken a stat class before, and you're learning this program I'd never heard of called R, and kind of how you process data based on using this program. And so it was just a challenge because you're learning this whole new language that I wouldn't have even thought I would learn, but it's also just an aspect of my education that I probably would have never gotten anywhere else.
For me, my career goals involve in starting in the practice of law, working on enforcement of some of the issues I care about. But eventually, I'm going to want to transition into policy creation and formation, and I think that having the dual degree is going to facilitate that because people are going to know and see that I have always had these sorts of aspirations.
Kind of the world is my playground, so I'll be working in Washington, D.C. I want to go into policy work, and having both this law and social policy academic background and also work experience background, I think I can do a number of things.
You're getting a world-renowned education, and at the same time, you have the opportunity to kind of have diverse experiences in the classroom, whether at the law school or any of the other schools that Penn has.